Good morning, my name is Sean and I'm from Group 3 and I'm going to present to you about water treatment technology, which is from environmental technology, and we are from University Malaysia of Terengganu. Water is essential for human, where drinking water can prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause unclear thinking, result in mood change, cause the body is overheat. So we must take care of our drinking water, and most importantly, do not pollute the water. Our title is about drinking water, and the site of water intake we chose is the Lingi River. The river courses through Pantai to Ampangan, Seremban, Rasa, Mambau, Rantau, Lingi, and finishes at Kuala Lingi, Melaka. About the project details, we are using drinking water quality standard for our estimation of our water process, and most importantly, we are using ozone disinfection as a natural filtration technology for our water treatment. And about the cost estimation is about 374,000 ringgit Malaysia. Well, now I'm going to pass through my next friend to explain the details of our project.
Okay, so let us continue with the processing of the treated water from Sungai Lingi. So from the first stage, we will start with the pre-filtration, which means some rapid filtration might occur in this stage, and continue with the second stage. We will start to add the calcium oxide and also the sodium hydroxide, included the FeCl3, to actuate the flocculation, and the flocks are slowly being eliminated out. So continue with the stage 3 will be the disinfection. So in this stage, we will use the ozone disinfection, as it's not just eliminate the microbes and also the infections, but in fact it also improves the taste and also the scent of the properties and separate the miniature poisons. Okay, so for the fourth stage will be the fine filtration. So in this stage, we often use the slow sand filtration by removing the residual turbidity and also the harmful substances. And by this stage, we will use the sand filter, and the sand filter will be everyday backwashed by the water and also the air to ease the process. So and lastly will be the preservate and also the storage. So as the water will at least be circulated and also to clients through the pipelines and all those dissemination siphons. So in this, it is included the aeration of the recovery oxygen supply of the water prior to storage, and last but not least, the remaining water will be stored in the drinking water reservoir. Okay, so let us discuss with the parameters of the drinking water. So every drinking water must have a parameters. It's like a guideline that we need to follow. So drinking water are needed to be having those parameters to make sure it is safe, palatable, and also aesthetically appealing. And for the main reason why we are having those parameters towards the drinking water is that we need to make sure there are no present any substances that is hazardous to our health, but not only that, also to the environment. So the parameters are shown as below.
Costing for one day we can produce for 14,400 bottles per day, and in 1 month we can produce 360,000 bottles per month. Costing for water, if 1 liter of water costing RM1.05. So in 1 day we need 560 ringgit per day, and in 1 month costing for 189,000 ringgit. Costing for electric, based on calculation, we need 365 ringgit and 60 cents. Costing for bottles and caps, 90,000 ringgit. Costing for workers, we just need 5 workers, and 1 worker we cost in 1,300 ringgit per month, and 6,500 ringgit per month. Costing for machine, we need 89,000 ringgit. So total amount of costing and spending, we need 374,865 ringgit and 60 cents.
So this is our group presentation, and I would like to say thank you to our doctor, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much.